Small talk in English is hard, isn't it? First of all, speaking English as a second language is not easy. And then trying to use English with native speakers, your mind goes blank and you feel stuck in your head when you try to talk. You feel embarrassed, maybe even ashamed of your English speaking. I'm here to tell you this is perfectly normal. There is no need to feel angry and disappointed with yourself. You've just been taught textbook English, not real speaking English. You can learn to speak English naturally, and you can learn to practice real English with native speakers, starting with small talk. Small talk is a superpower. Once you learn how to small talk, you can practice real English with real people in real situations. Not useless textbook English that sounds awkward and unnatural. Today, I'll help you gain confidence starting with a simple situation, an elevator. This is your starting point for learning this life skill. First, listen. Feel the speaking pattern, the words, the energy. Then repeat over and over again. This is real English in everyday, real life situations. Let's keep it simple, easy, and fun. Ready? Let's get started. Imagine you're stepping into an elevator in a hotel or an apartment building. You find yourself next to a stranger and you have just a short time to start up a conversation. The setting is relaxed and casual, perfect for some friendly small talk. Let's start with a friendly and simple approach with beginner level English.
Hi there. How's your day going so far?
Hello, it's going well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks. I love the vibe of this place. Are you staying here for a while?
Yes, I'm here for a little getaway. Just enjoying some downtime.
That sounds lovely. Any favorite spots you've visited so far?
Actually, yes. I found this amazing cafe nearby. Definitely worth checking out.
Awesome. Local recommendations are the best. Where is this place? I'll have to give it a try.
This works because it's safe and friendly. You're not trying to sound smart. You're just showing effort to begin the conversation. You only need to make short questions. Show positive reactions. Nothing too heavy. This is the easiest way to start talking without feeling awkward. Okay, that was the easy version. Now let's try a slightly more advanced version by adding a little more detail to the conversation.
Hi there. It's a lovely day, isn't it? How's your day coming along so far?
Hello, yes, it really is nice. I'm having a pretty good day, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I've been exploring the city a bit. Are you here for business or leisure?
Mostly leisure. I'm taking a short break and enjoying some sightseeing. Very refreshing.
That sounds perfect. I'd love to hear about the places you've enjoyed most so far.
Absolutely. There's this charming cafe nearby that I stumbled upon, and the atmosphere is warm and relaxing. My kind of place.
That's great to know. I'll have to definitely check it out. I love hearing recommendations on favorite local spots. Can you tell me where this place is?
Did you notice the difference in energy? This version feels a little more relaxed and curious. You're not just being safe and polite anymore. You're actually showing more interest in the other person. That's what makes this feel more natural and more confident. Let's go more advanced now and elevate our small talk conversation. In this scenario, we'll bring in native expressions, idioms, and a more relaxed, natural flow that you'd hear in everyday speaking. Ready?
Hey there. Beautiful day, huh? How's it going on your end?
Hey, absolutely, it's gorgeous out. I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. How about you?
Can't complain. Just soaking in the vibes. Are you here for some R&R, or are you just passing through?
Mostly just unwinding, taking a short breather from the daily grind. It's been a welcome change.
Nice. I love that. If you've got any cool spots you've discovered, I'm all ears. Always down for some recommendations.
Oh, for sure. There's this hidden gem of a cafe that I stumbled upon. Super cozy and perfect for chilling out.
That sounds awesome. I'm totally down for checking it out. Always a plus to get the local scoop you can't find online.
Did you feel the difference here? This version sounds smoother and more like how native speakers actually talk. You're not choosing words carefully in your head anymore. You're just talking it out naturally. You show more attitude, more personality, and a smoother flow. That's how native speakers sound when they're comfortable. You're being playful and positive, speaking without thinking too much. That's the goal at the advanced level. And that's it for today. Don't feel stressed if this felt a bit hard or uncomfortable. That's actually a good thing. It means there's a lot of room to grow and improve. You'll slowly fix bad habits and learn to speak English the right way. And with practice, you'll start to get the hang of it. Small talk is a skill, and skills get easier with repetition, not pressure. Keep listening, keep repeating, and it's okay to sound imperfect when you're learning and improving. If this kind of practice helps you, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.